Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss class 9 CBSE exercise number 1.5 question number 3. The question is asking that recall pi is defined as the ratio of circumference say C of a circle to its diameter say D, that is pi is equal to circumference by diameter. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this? So we know already irrational number means which cannot be written in the form of p by q. But now c by d is in the form of p by q. So if it is in the form of p by q means pi will be a rational number. So this statement, these meanings give some opposite meaning to the fact. What is the fact? Pi is irrational number. So how to resolve this one? We have to learn now. Okay. So now already we know that pi is equal to circumference by diameter. So before learning this one, let me tell you one thing. How pi is equal to c by d. How it comes, okay? Circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay. C is equal to this 2 pi r can be written as pi into 2r. C is equal to pi. 2 into r means 2 times of radius. This can be written as diameter. So now this diameter transferring here, what will come now? C by d is equal to pi. Like that. So pi is nothing but whatever the circle, whether the circle is small or big or whatever, okay, when the circumference is divided by diameter, we'll get the pi. Pi is nothing but it is one value, okay. Pi can be written as in the form of c by d. Now c by d is in the form of p by q. If the question is asking that if it is in the form of p by q, why it is irrational? Why this contradiction happens now? We have to see, okay. So, okay, pi we are writing in the form of c by d. It is in the form of p by q. But still we don't know whether this circumference is rational number or irrational number. We don't know. And also whether the diameter is rational number or irrational number, still we don't know. That's why this contradiction happens. So we can say that if any one, whether circumference or diameter, if any one is irrational, so the pi value will be irrational. So let us consider now. Suppose circumference is irrational, diameter is rational. So already we know that irrational number divided by rational will come irrational, or rational number divided by irrational number, this also will come irrational number, and irrational number divided by irrational sometimes will come rational, sometimes will come irrational. Just forget about this one. What I am going to tell is, if circumference is irrational, diameter is rational, so answer will be irrational. That means pi will be irrational now, okay. Or otherwise, circumference is rational number, diameter is irrational number, so answer will be irrational. The meaning is pi will be irrational. So why this contradiction happen means still we don't know whether the circumference is rational number or irrational number. The same thing we don't know whether the diameter is rational number or irrational number. If any one of these two number, these two values, okay, irrational means compulsory pi will be irrational, okay. So what I told you, pi is nothing but it is the ratio of circumference and the diameter. Now it becomes p by q. If it is in the form of p by q means it will be rational, right. But if pi is rational number means it contradicts, it gives some opposite meaning to the fact that pi is irrational number. This contradicts the fact that pi is irrational, okay. But how to resolve this one? if either circumference or diameter is irrational, then pi will be irrational. So in this way we can resolve this contradiction. Okay.